We begin tonight with a message to parents from Waterloo Region's Public Health Department. They are urging those who may be sending their children to summer camp to prepare for potential measles exposures. CTV's Alexandra Holyk joins us now live with more on this. Alexandra, what do families need to know tonight?
Well, Tony, the main message from the region is to plan ahead. That could mean making sure your child's shots are up to date and their vaccination records are handy.
The kickoff to summer camp is just a couple weeks away, and excitement is in the air at the Waterloo Memorial Rec Complex.
There's a lot of excitement. There's also, some uncertainty.
Uncertainty over potential measles exposures. But the City of Waterloo says preparations are already underway.
Our initial efforts are focused sort of twofold. One is really focused on providing communication out to our families and campers around measles prevention. And the other one is sharing an update on some of the protocols.
Those protocols include isolating any campers or staff that may be at risk if there is an exposure. The isolation period will last 21 days, or until they provide proof they received 2 doses of the measles vaccine.
This isn't new messaging. What this really is continuation of messaging that we've done since the start of kind of the provincial outbreak and with our local partners, including schools.
Schools like Beechwood Brainery, a private school centered around students with disabilities that also offers day camp in the summer.
We have heightened our protocols and our training around signs and symptoms of outbreaks.
Like other camps in the region, Beechwood Brainery plans to work with the local public health unit to make sure people are protected and the show can go on.
The reason we got the messaging out now is to prepare people so that they can get their vaccines ahead of time going to camp or have their vaccine records ready, so that if we do find out there's an exposure, we can quickly find out who is at risk and who isn't and keep that camp running.
And if there is a measles case at camp,
we would set up a clinic as soon as possible in order to any campers that needed it, if their parents consented, would be able to get that vaccine in a short period to allow the camp to continue.
And while camps say they're hopeful for a healthy summer, they appreciate the resources, even as they focus on having fun.
I think we'll be okay. It's definitely not something that we worry about, but we are prepared for.
The message from Regional Public Health comes at a time where cases seem to be slowing down, but officials say it's too early to tell if we've passed the peak. We'll need to wait a few weeks to find that out.
And Alexandra, on that note, Public Health Ontario releasing some new numbers related to the measles outbreak earlier today. Waterloo Region seeing an increase in 21 cases this week, but those are actually not all new.
That's right, Tony. Waterloo Region Public Health clarifies that it is only reporting 1 new case in the last week. The other 20 included in today's update from the province are actually from May and have already been addressed. But they're being recorded now because they've been linked to the outbreak in Southern Ontario that is, of course, still ongoing.